everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. It's your girl Ashley today, coming back with another video, and this video is going to be about PR makeup unboxing, I guess. I do own all these stuff, and it's not, I just want to clarify that it's not because I am in any PR list, because I'm not, and I don't want to sit here and lie to you. So I do want to keep it 100% transparent with you guys. I did end up buying everything by myself with my money, my hard work, and yeah, that's about it. And I'll probably be doing a giveaway soon. Maybe one of these PR boxes are gonna go there. So yeah, I just want to share with that and let you guys know I'm fly. I just wanted to let you guys know that. So if you're ready to see free makeup, let's get started, shall we? Yeah. Okay guys, so the first thing, I did already open this box. Let me show you how it looks. This one, I think I got it off Poshmark not so long ago. Oh my god, it's stuck. So the first box we have is this Marc Jacobs Beauty. Yeah, it's this gold type of box. So pretty. I shouldn't have done that. Oh my god. Oh my god, that noise. Okay, we're gonna have to open it and see what happened in there. So, that's what it is. Oh, okay, not bad. I thought it was gonna get really messed up, but it did not. So this one comes with, see, the perfume, the set of lips, I think. Oh my god, I think it is. Just smacked my face. The set of lips and lip glosses and a lipstick. It says the collection edition Marc Jacobs Imperfect. And this one is a mascara. I do not use mascara, so maybe, I don't know. I want to open this one first. I like the little pouch. I could use it as traveling. And it came with these babies. Just gonna open a few of them. This one is Goddess. This beautiful red color. Ooh, it's really red. So I have not used these items at all because I see them as a PR list and I really don't want to mess them up. So I have them in my beauty room, just sitting there. And this one is Infamous. Ooh, this is like a mauvey pink. Look at that, how pretty that is. It is really pretty. Okay. But yeah, these are all pretty. And you can see this one's the red one. So let's skip to the next item. So the next item here is the perfume, which is this. It looks like a little bag. And it's called Marc Jacobs de Condesse. Probably butchering the name. Ooh, it smells like, it smells fresh, it smells clean, and like a hint of like herbs or something. But okay. The next item is the Perfect number 270, and it is supposed to be a limited edition. It's this pink kind of taupey color. It is really pretty. And then just the mascara, it says right here, it says on the bottom, it says collection edition Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I do not use mascara just because I have eyelash extensions, so I probably won't be using that. And then this one, it says the Snake Charmer 5-piece petite Enamored High Shine Gloss. It says award-winning color because of the beautiful shine. It has a color Sugar Sugar. Sugar Sugar Skin Deep Raspberry. Boys Don't Cry. And Changes. It's this. I like the packaging. How pretty that is. It's so pretty. I really like that. And then that is, maybe it has the name. I really don't know what collection is this from. Let's see. It does not have a name. But yeah, this is one of the items I purchased by myself. And yeah, let's get started with the next item. So the next item I actually have here. I opened it already. And it is this, oh, whoa. It is Less Constellations, oh my god, I'm so bad. Calendar of Constellations. And it's by the brand L'Occitane. Woo! So it's like this. It's so pretty. Isn't it so pretty? Whoa, look at that. And I think, I'm gonna just show you that. The side, the back. It's really pretty. And I think that each one has like a little different type of item inside. Oh yeah, so for example here, it has this is Gel Ultra. Oh my god, it smells delicious. Let's see, I'm just gonna go randomly taking things out in the middle. I have not seen this before, so this is the first time I'm seeing with you guys and myself. And what is this one? It says shampoo and conditioner, very small. I guess all of these are travel sizes, and just you guys can kind of test out each one. This one is shower oil. This one is like a precious cream, it says. But yeah, every single one has a different one inside, and I am so, look at these. This is so pretty. I am very excited about this item, so we're gonna leave it right here, and we're gonna go on to the next item. Okay, I think this one is my last one. No, it's not. Okay, so this one is the Marc Jacobs Beauty. It is a beauty. I can't tell you enough. When I got this item, it was so, I was mind blown. Look at all of this. You see how pretty that is. It does say it is the Fall 2018 collection. Featuring all new Omega Shadow, gel powders, eyeshadow, highlighter, glam glitter gel eye crayon, fine liner, ultra skinny gel crayon. Hashtag lazy girl beauty. So that's that. Look at this. How pretty that is. So here is all the Omega Shadow gels. Shadow gels? I didn't even realize it said shadow gels. Highlighter, glam glitter gel eyeliners, and then on the bottom it says 3 fine liners, ultra skinny gel crayon. So let's start opening a few of these because these look very intriguing. Look at this one. Ooh, I really like that. I really like that. This is like that color. Ooh. And I know Marc Jacobs is a luxury brand, but their makeup, I have a lot of their makeup, and they have not, like, they always meet my expectations, and I think it's just so pretty and high quality that I know it's a little expensive, but it is worth every penny. So let's put this back. one. So the last one is this. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, so the last item I have is this. It is the PR box from Kat Von D. It comes in this like case. This one, it was, and whoa, it is really pretty, and I really want to show you guys how pretty this is. You're gonna die. Look at this. Let's just take a moment. Look at these beautiful girls, and wow. This one is a Shade and Light Obsession Collection Edition Counter Set. So it does come with 2 eyeshadow palettes, 1 big eyeshadow palette, 1 contour stick, and 2 brushes. I believe this one's for the eye, and this one is for the face, for the contour one. Because they're so pretty. Look at that color. Ooh, that color is pretty. Because I just feel like they're so precious, and it's just one in a lifetime thing that hopefully my YouTube gets successful. Maybe I'll end up in some PR boxes, and I will do a bunch of giveaways with that. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, let me show you this one. How pretty that is. That is so pretty. Let me do the other one. This one, guys, is my go-to ride and dive. There's no doubt about that. I literally am hitting pan on the one I have. It's this. I use this one and these two up front. Oh my god, I'm literally hitting pan. And then we have the 2 brushes. So this one I picked up is the okay, so this one is the double brush. I guess this one is for under eyes, and this one, because it is an angle, is for your contour. This is pretty. The next one is, oh my god, another hour. So the next one too, this one I think for the inner eye, maybe on the bottom of your highlight, brow. And then this one is for the eyeshadow. Also, this one you can do it to for your nose, the bridges of your nose. That's pretty. But yeah, and I think let me show you the case itself. If I go like this, it has these pockets that I can use for travel. I think it'll be too much, but I can use it maybe all my makeup here, and I have somewhere to put my brushes. But like I said, it's so special to me to have these PR boxes, just because I like wish one day, you know. But this is another of the items. So guys, we have reached the end of this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for everything and all the love and support. Hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.